Change my face, but it doesn't matter anyway. I change my name, but everything's still the same. So I change my hair, but it doesn't erase the fear. My nightmare is I don't fit in here. In the mirror, it speaks right to me with a taunting truth that almost stopped me. In the mirror, I see the words.
Besides it looking like totally badass, it has no motor in the middle, so we're gonna have a clean ceiling, which is gonna be awesome once I finish off that. In case you're wondering what a side motor looks like, it's pretty small, and that's it. Little side motor, no giant pole. What we're doing now is we're putting up insulation in the spaces, and then I'm using green board. You don't need to use green board, you can go ahead and use regular drywall, but I figured, you know, this is an exterior wall, there might be moisture, why not just take the extra step and get green board. So we're doing a green board drywall. Finish that off. Gonna finish plugging those cubes with some insulation so we can keep this garage nice and neat. We're probably gonna stick a window right there. That's what I'm thinking. I think I'm gonna rewire that electrical and put a window right there. So that's what we got going on so far. Just to show you what it looks like from the outside, it's pretty dope. So this is what it looks like from the outside. There's a freaking a glow right through the glass, which is pretty dope. So we got the window placed in, and one side is sticking out a little more than the other, and that's just because the way the cement was done on the outside. So after installing the window, went ahead and sprayed expanding foam all around the outside of it, between the window and the frame, and that's gonna get a nice seal so there's no air leakage and anything like that, and left it to expand overnight, and then I just trimmed it right now. I just cut it so you don't see the big bulge anymore. It's all cut from the outside. It came out pretty clean, not too bad. I did put caulking behind the entire exterior. There's a liquid nails caulking to do a full seal on that. Later on, we're gonna come back and we're gonna seal it again on the edges. So the window is put in, and what we got to do now is we're gonna gotta split this electrical box. Instead of having 4 outlets, I want 2. So I wanted to bring it up right here on this end, and then another one closer to the garage door motor, so that way this cord isn't stretched out. So we're gonna put a box, electrical outlet box right here for the garage door opener, and then put another box here so it'll serve for this counter, maybe a TV or something.